It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. Go put it in there. Good job. Yeah. Okay, now it's gotta do something first.
I don't want to be in the video.
It's hard work, isn't it, Milo? It's hard work. Hard work to be a mom. Yeah, that's okay. Just throw it in there like that. That's good. Is it all done? All done? Alright. Close the door. Watch your fingers. No, you don't push the light on. There you go. Close the door. Okay, now close the other door. Did you close it? There you go. Now close that door. Alright, fantastic. You're done. Job's done. Good job. Say bye.
Bye.